Light putty marks. This is a phenomenon that traces are left on the putty repair area after the top coat is sprayed. Shrinks will appear by different contraction ratio between pinniform edges of existing coatings. This is how putty marks are produced. Reasons. 1. Drying of putty is insufficient at the time of polishing. 2. Areas for pinniform edges of exist coatings are too small. 3. Putty is of poor quality or too thick coatings are scraped. Precautionary measures. 1. The pinniform edges should be polished in a reasonable way to ensure that it is no less than 30 millimeters. 2. High quality putty should be used and correct mix proportions should be ensured. 3. Putty should be dried with infrared after smearing to ensure complete drying. 4. Two-component primer should be applied, and polishing after drying should be ensured. Solutions. Light putty marks can be removed with grinding and polishing, while relatively thick putty marks should be covered with respraying after exist coating is polished.